What can I do to become smarter? Get very hungry. Hunger elevates your human growth hormone. This hormone restores your body functions. After 2 days, your brain switches to the best possible source of energy. Your body can exist for extremely long times without food. Two famous people, Plato and Socrates, fasted for 7 to 10 days to gain physical and mental efficiency. And Pythagoras fasted 40 days before his examination at Alexandria and required his students to fast before entering his classes. During the World War II, prisoners tell their stories that how sharp their mind was in the absence of food. Some could even read entire books from their memories. For more information about the prisoner's story, you can read the book Unbroken, a World War II stories of survival, resilience, and redemption. In this book, the main character describes a prisoner who would read the entire books from their memory, and another who learned the Norwegian language in a few weeks. The prisoners accepted it as a fact of life that the starvation increases intelligence and thinking ability. When we are getting into the starvation mood, our body switches into the hunter state. During this process, our hormone levels rise, and after a while, our mental abilities rise. Our strength and willpower go through the roof. Our mind becomes crystal clear. Our body switches to the internal resources and begins to consume fats stored everywhere. And this is the fact that in mammals, mental activity increases during hunger and decreases with eating too much. About 1400 years ago, in Quran we are told that to fast in the whole month of Ramadan every year. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, said that man fills no vessel worse than his stomach. It is sufficient for the son of Adam to have a few mouthfuls to give him the strength he needs. If he has to fill his stomach, then let him leave 1/3 for food, 1/3 for drink, and 1/3 for air. In another narration, Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the stomach is the home of the diseases. Diet is the primary means of treatment.